Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings and good morning from Yangshou Guilin Cafe and Guest House. I wish I could actually wake up to this every morning, and I'm talking about this. This is the view from our window. The river is waiting for us to swim in the morning. I really wish I could wake up to this every morning. Now this is just pure nature. This is Pubutang Cafe, and just luckily I found it actually while searching online for hotels. If you don't like hustling bustling city and you just like a quiet place with nothing but pure nature around you, fresh air, I really want to breathe it a lot, then this is the place for you. I mean, look at the Lee River there. This is our private parking. And when you walk down this road about 2 kilometers, you have a huge waterfall. Yoo-hoo! Oh yeah, baby! That's the place to swim. Woo! I need a phone. Yeah. I need her phone to fly the Mavic. Oh man, this beautiful place. I wish I had a villa here. Yeah. I would just take the water straight from here. No more motors, no more tanks filling. Man, I really wish every morning I could wake up to this. Now, being here, I was actually flying a Mavic Pro, and I plan to do some FPV whooping now after breakfast and bring out my Emax Hawk 5. What's more, if I could find a place, I do have my mini Talon to actually go around these mountains, or above these mountains. Let me bring you down to the riverside. Now this is what I am talking about. Wow, clouds are so low. I can actually go cloud surfing with my Mavic Pro. I believe it's time I bring the quadcopter out. All right. Nothing but sound of nature here. Let's wake kids up, and then Jane should be here and she will cook banana pancakes for us. Yeah, baby. Grapefruit. Check this out. I believe we can get permission to get one. And we have, I don't know if this is oranges or some kind of citrus, but there are plenty of the trees for these. Wake up! Time to go cloud surfing with Mavic. What?
What's your princess?
That's mine. When you talk about nature, you do see nature a lot. How do you wake up? When do you wake up? Assalamu alaikum. Oh, look at that big spider. That's what I'm talking about. When you talk about nature, you get these a lot. Look at that. That's a big one. Is it dead?
What's that?
Looks like it's dead. But we did see a very beautiful, horribly beautiful orange color, probably poisonous to a centipede. He was, I don't know, call it he or it. It was really fast. Very, like, I don't know how many wheels drive it had, but it was really, really fast and it went in. It was horribly beautiful, right?
Yeah, but the spider, I know why it's dead, because it does not have a web shooter.
Uh-oh, so we need to call Spider-Man to give this spider a web shooter. Alright, let me prepare my Mavic Pro. That's one kind of bird. We also have that in Chuzhou, right? It makes always this kind of noise. Nice and calm, relaxing rafting, right?
And just now I got a dirty dead shell.
You got a dead shell, yeah. You still didn't catch a Godzilla. Okay, go to ours there. Go to ours there, that side front. And try to catch some, whatever you can. Oh, butterfly. Well, it's not a butterfly, it's a butterfly, dragonfly together. It's a hybrid of butter and dragonfly, right? So it's what?
Butter dragonfly.
Dratterfly.
Dragonfly?
Dratterfly. Or buggenfly.
Or gutterfly.
Gutterfly, yeah, that's a nice name, gutterfly.
Or a poop fly.
Okay, good, enough. Go catch some Godzillas.
Where are they?
Catch something with these nets at least.
If they, like something flying here, I want to try to catch it.
Mm-hmm.
Or if something is swimming here, I'll try to catch it. Uh-oh. Are we going to hit that place? land it on the water.
Hmm?
Don't land it on the water.
I will not. That's it. That's how you land the Mavic.
Bye.